Hi, it's Miss Laura. I'm here to read news to you for November 2nd, 2020. The topic today is NASCAR Championship Race. A big NASCAR race is on November 8th. It is the NASCAR Cup Series Championship Race. Kind of a mouthful. The championship race is in Avondale, Arizona. The race championship is at a racetrack. Race car drivers compete in the championship race. The drivers will drive race cars. The race cars are very loud. The race cars are very fast. One driver will race the best. This driver will win a trophy. This driver will be the 2020 champion. Here is a recipe for veggie race cars using tomatoes, carrots, and celery and cream cheese. All right, here's the instructions, and if you want this recipe, you can always let me know, and I can send you a copy. All right, there they are. All right, here's our first joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? One. One who? One to watch the race? Ha ha. Get it? Want to watch the race. All right, I have a joke. Where does a dog park a car? In a parking lot. Ha ha. Thought that one was a little better. All right, let's take a look at these pictures. Which pictures are about the NASCAR championship race? Right, I would think the picture here for win, right? Someone's going to win. And also driver, right? That's who drives the cars. We didn't talk about lab or science, so not that. We talked about race, right? They're going to race for the championship. We did not talk about weather, but we did talk about race cars. The drivers will drive race cars. Okay, what is this paper about? Today's paper was about the NASCAR championship race. Question 2, who will compete in the championship race? Race car drivers. Question 3, where is the championship race? It said the championship race was in Avondale, Arizona. Okay, you can talk with somebody at home about what you would like to drive. Some suggestions are a race car, a motorcycle, a bulldozer, a train, or something else. I kind of want to drive a bulldozer. I don't know about you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this news to you. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.